The past meets the present. This morning we're going to talk about this vintage whites detector, and then we're going to use a new detector, the Fisher F44. So they're both going to come together and collide today. I picked this up at Myers Detectors, got a great deal on it, and it still works, guys. This is so cool. It looks awesome. I'm going to keep this and hang it out in the studio. I love these gauges on here and the sound of this. So we're going to give it a try this morning. I'm going to bring you up a little bit closer here, and we're going to talk about some of the different functions of this and the gauges on here. All right, guys, so this is the white Nugget Master. I couldn't find an exact date, but I'm pretty sure 1970 or in that area. If you know for sure and you're not guessing, please let me know down in the comments below. It's a blue, like a hammer, blue hammer finish. Looks really nice. This thing's in good shape for the age. Here's the on and off switch. This, I'm not real sure yet, to be honest with you. I know on this you can either do mineral or you can do metal. So you want to have it set as far over like this as you can. And when you turn it on, you're going to adjust this to where the noise balances out and you don't hear a thing. You'll turn it back just a little bit. I'll show you that in just a second. Again, this is mineral or metal. We're going to leave it on metal today. You can do either one. It has an auto switch. We're going to leave it on auto as well. You have a range control. We'll probably leave this at 3. I'm not real sure on that as well. And then this, you can check your battery. That's kind of cool. So let's turn this on. And you can see how the gauges still move here. And let me show you how you adjust this. I'm probably going to have to pick it up. Hang on here. Woo, I'm not real sure on it. I'm guessing. I don't have the instructions, but I think I have it all set. Check it out. Well, as my luck would have it, I found this manual online about 2 weeks after I made the video. So I think I have everything set. There's the nickel. Not sure about this meter though. Oh, that didn't do any good. You guys, the best I can tell, you have to have some type of a threshold sound. That's what you hear now. And for this, it's the absence of the sound. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but I've adjusted this thing one into the other. Now I'm going to look around and see if I can try to find a coin up here at this school. There should be some change here. Well, guys, I think, it's making that same action. It's cutting out right here. Hear it go out? This is not really doing a whole lot for me here. I don't know if it's broke or what. But I think there's something there. I'm going to give it a shot here. Let's try. We're at a school yard, so I forgot the pinpoint. Boy, this is going to be hard now. Oh, there it is, right there. A penny. Looks like an older one too. All right, first find with this Nugget Master. I'm not so sure about this, guys. What a beast. God, I'm already tired after one dig. Here's a appears to be a signal up by this oak tree. Here it going out. Again, not much action here with this. You definitely hear it. I'm going to try a couple different settings after this. So I think there's something right there. All right, guys, there's a definitely a chunk of metal down there. Just something left over from the construction, but at least it hit on it. I'll take it, I guess. Oh, I am getting a little bit of a buzz there. All right, I think we got some, guys. Mark it right where my foot is. Let's see if we can check it out. Oh, there it is right there. Look at that. Boy, that sucks for a tone. Look at that. But it's a quarter. We got us a quarter, guys. Big quarter. Then another thing these guys had to deal with back in the day. This thing's a beast as far as weight. And then the length of it, that's it. I mean, I'm like 6'2". It's hard to, I got to bend over to get this thing going now. A little bit of a signal right here. Here it cuts out. Right there. Trying to move it with my foot. Let's check. Let's go down and do a little dig. Okay. Well, at least I found something. Come on. Gotta do better than this. All right, it's going out just, ooh, it's out. What you definitely have got to move this so much slower, guys. With the weight of it, it's harder. So there's something right under that green little flower. Let me check it out. Something, there it is right there. It's a quarter. There you go. I think that's it, guys. The past, you can have it. I feel sorry for you guys that had to use this machine over the years. I mean, I'm sure it was great during its time starting out, but good Lord, is it a beast. But I'm glad I got it. It's gonna look good. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna put it out in the studio. This noise, let's turn this on right here. Go crazy. You know, I don't like about it either. See this? See where the handle attaches to the base? You got to set it down something flat. It will never sit flat. It's gonna rock. It'll rock back and forth. I don't know about these knobs here. This has a red mark on the front. I don't know if that's from whoever owned it before me or not. I've adjusted this. I have it on metal. I don't know. If you know what's wrong or got an idea, let me know. But I am moving on to the future. Stand by. This is not going to be a review today. I got to tell you, I don't like seeing reviews when they come right out of the box. It makes no sense to me. I want to see somebody that has used that machine and knows the ins and outs. As an example, maybe Russ from First Texas Fisher Products, or Jamie from Finding Alabama. That's what I want to see. So today is not a review. This is just going to be a good time matching up the past and the present. Now, I bought this Fisher F44 as a backup, and I'm out of a detector right now. My Knox is out of action. I also have a grandson coming in, and I need something that's going to be fairly simple. You can turn on, use, and get excellent results. And this is it, the Fisher F44. Let's check it out. All right, guys, we're all ready. Now, I purposely didn't read the instructions because I want to see how easy it is to turn this on and go. And I will follow up and read every bit of those directions. But for today, I just wanted to see how easy it was so I could show somebody else that it was new to metal detecting. I do know how to ground balance, and that's it. And there we go. We're ground balanced. 68, 65, 66, right in that area. All right, First target with a Fisher F44. Something. Come on. Oh, what? Oh, there it is. There is the first find, guys, with a Fisher F44, an old penny. Put a snake skin on here. Looks cool, that bright green. Grandson's 10 years old. I'm sure he'll like that. And I can make this and shorten this shaft. I have it extended all the way for me, but I can really shorten it up for him. Let's try it. Let's see what we've got. Now the penny wasn't real deep, but it hit on it nice and loud. I'm telling you, I'm digging it, digging it. Let's see. Oh, we got us another penny. Yeah, I'm loving it. The past and the present. So far, things are working out really well, guys. Well, I hope you're enjoying this. I'm having a good time. So we've got, as a recap, the new Fisher F44, new for me. It's a backup. I added the snake skin on there and a little protector I had off an old detector that fit. And then brand new F-Pulse pinpointer. I did put a little rubber cap I had. Had several of those I got a while back, but they work fine, and they do not in any way affect the performance of this. New technology, you got to keep up with it, guys. And again, I got this detector as a backup and for friends and family. Easy to use. I'm digging it so far. Let's see what else we can find. Ooh, what is that? Oh, coolness. Look at that. It's like a baby ruler. Oh, I guess it was, yeah. Huh, that's cool looking. Little baby ruler found with a Fisher F44. Heck yeah, that's kind of cool looking. Huh, a little unusual. All right, thought we had another right here. Come on, another one? What in the world? Maybe this is part of the other one that broke. I wonder if they match up. This starts with a 4. Golly. I've got to check now. I can't go on without checking. Oh. It matches. There's the 3. Hope you can see that right there. And there's the 4. A perfect match. So look at that. Freaky, man. They're about, I don't know, maybe 2 feet apart. Hey, no complaints so far, just for a turn on and go. When I get in today, I will read the instructions, kind of recap and take a look at it, play around with it, and then go back out so I can get this machine down pat. But I'm telling you, just to turn it on and to ground balance, that's all I knew. It's working great so far. Let's keep going. Showing a 77 coin, or whatever it is. There it is. Look at there. Got us a quarter, baby. Yeah. Another penny, baby, right there in the hole. Look at that. Yeah. All right, guys, got a good hour of use out of it. I think I got a good idea how it works, but like Phil says from Myers Detectors, always read the manual. So I'm going to go back, read that manual, watch some YouTube videos, get it down pat. But I think it's a great detector, especially somebody starting out in metal detecting. I simply picked this up, turned it on, with the exception of learning how to ground balance, and I was good to go. As you can see, I found some coins and cool items. So I would highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. And as always, please share this video. Like, it doesn't cost a thing to hit that subscribe button. Ring that little bell so you get notified when I upload a video. And like, comment, and I'll get back on every comment, I guarantee you. This channel is still growing, but slow. So I need that help. If you know anybody that metal detects, let them know so we can get this channel growing. Thanks for watching, and guess what? I'll see you on that next dig.
Pretty